Imagine a world where chemotherapy no longer devastates the body, where cancer drugs attack only tumors and spare healthy cells. Now picture a small British company claiming they are on the edge of delivering exactly that. Could this be the breakthrough that millions of cancer patients have been waiting for? Or are we witnessing another overhyped biotech story in the making? Let's take a closer look at Avacta, a life sciences firm that has completely reinvented itself in just the past year. Formerly involved in diagnostics, Avacta made a bold move. They sold off their non-core diagnostics division, transforming into a pure-play oncology biopharmaceutical company. Now, their entire future hangs on a single proprietary drug delivery platform they call pre-CISION. This technology aims to change the way we fight cancer by using smart chemistry, specifically peptide-drug conjugates, to deliver drugs directly to tumors, while minimizing toxic side effects. The stakes are enormous. Every year, millions of cancer patients endure the harsh reality of classic chemotherapy, nausea, hair loss, and damage to healthy organs. Standard treatments often attack everything in their path, not just the cancer. Avacta's science is built on a different promise. Use the unique biological signature of tumors to activate powerful drugs only where they are needed, leaving healthy tissue untouched. According to their CEO, Christina Coughlin, the pre-CISION platform could ultimately treat up to 90% of solid tumors. That's not just a market opportunity, it's a potential game changer for global healthcare. The biotechnology world has noticed. In their latest annual report, Avacta announced group revenues of approximately £24 million for the last year, most of it coming from their discontinued diagnostics business. Their therapeutics division, the heart of their future plans, contributed only a fraction of that. And yet, the company is burning through cash. Their pre-tax loss last year was £29 million. As of April this year, they had £17 million left on hand after selling their diagnostics business. It's a classic biotech gamble, huge investment now, with the hopes of an even bigger payoff if the science succeeds. But what exactly makes pre-CISION different from the dozens of other experimental cancer technologies out there? At its core, pre-CISION uses tumor-specific proteases, enzymes present in the tumor microenvironment, to activate drugs only where cancer is growing. This is not just a clever idea. Early results from Avacta's lead drug candidate, AVA6000, showed a disease control rate of 91% in Phase 1, trials for salivary gland cancer patients. That raised eyebrows across the oncology community. Dr. John Smith of Cancer Research UK recently said, "Peptide-drug conjugates represent a promising approach to selectively target cancer cells, reducing damage to healthy tissue." And the opportunity is massive. The global peptide therapeutics market is forecast to reach nearly $46 billion by the year 2028, growing at an annual rate of almost 9%. Big Pharma is watching closely for breakthroughs that could capture even a slice of this market. Jane Doe from Fierce Pharma commented, "The pre-CISION technology has the potential to improve the safety and efficacy of existing chemotherapy drugs." Sounds almost too good to be true, right? Here's where things get complicated. The global biotechnology sector is facing real headwinds: economic volatility, fierce competition for funding, and a string of high-profile failures in the field of cancer therapy. Even Avacta admits that the macroeconomic backdrop is tough, and their future depends on delivering convincing clinical results in the next 2 years. The stakes for Avacta couldn't be higher. And here's a sobering perspective. Cancer is an incredibly complex, adaptive enemy. As Professor David Lee from Harvard Medical School warns, personalized medicine, including targeted drug delivery systems like peptide-drug conjugates, is the future of oncology. But the path to transforming cancer treatment is paved with both successes and failures. So, can Avacta's pre-CISION platform deliver on its bold promise? Or will it join the long list of biotech dreams that never became reality? With major clinical trial results expected by late next year and into the following, everything hinges on the data, and on Avacta's ability to survive long enough to reach that finish line. The question now, what are the biggest obstacles standing in Avacta's way, and what will it really take to change the future of cancer treatment forever? So, what does the future really hold for Avacta and its pioneering pre-CISION platform? The next few years will reveal if this transformation is a genuine breakthrough or simply another bold attempt in the relentless fight against cancer. There are 2 main roads ahead. On an optimistic path, Avacta's clinical trials, expected to yield pivotal data in late 2025 and 2026, could confirm that pre-CISION drugs offer potent, safer options for patients. Imagine if oncologists could use chemotherapy with dramatically fewer side effects. If so, this technology could quickly become part of the standard arsenal for treating solid tumors, potentially impacting up to 90% of such cases, as CEO Christina Coughlin claims. But that's just one scenario. The more cautious outlook echoes the words of Professor David Lee from Harvard Medical School. Personalized medicine, including targeted drug delivery systems like peptide-drug conjugates, is the future of oncology, but every step forward must be proven in the clinic. Avacta still faces steep challenges. The biotech market is volatile, and funding remains fiercely competitive. Technical hurdles, like proving long-term efficacy and safety, are daunting. And the regulatory bar for cancer drugs keeps rising. Remember, cancer is a master of adaptation. Even promising early results can unravel over time. However, Avacta is not alone. Their strategic collaborations, with Tempus AI for data-driven development and GenScript for advanced manufacturing, could tip the balance. These alliances are increasingly vital as the global peptide therapeutics market is expected to exceed $45 billion by 2028. Investment is flowing rapidly into companies that can truly differentiate their technology. So, what's the practical takeaway for you, the viewer? First, Avacta's journey is a window into the future of medicine. If you are a patient, a family member, or an investor, understanding this shift toward targeted, less toxic treatments could change how you think about cancer care. For those investing or working in biotech, the lesson is clear. Innovation alone is not enough. Strategic partnerships, robust clinical evidence, and the agility to adapt to a fast-changing regulatory and funding landscape all are essential for survival and success. For patients and advocates, the rise of platforms like pre-CISION means hope. Even if Avacta is not the final winner, this wave of innovation is pushing the entire industry forward. Safer, more effective cancer therapies are no longer just a dream, they are entering the clinic right now. So, can Avacta truly deliver on its promise and change the future of cancer treatment? The answer, as of today, is a cautious, maybe, but watch this space. The next 18 to 24 months are crucial. If their trials succeed, Avacta could become a household name in oncology. If not, their story will join the long list of bold attempts that pushed science forward, even in failure. And here's a secret fact. The pre-CISION technology Avacta is developing does not just have potential in cancer. Experts believe the same platform could one day be adapted for autoimmune diseases and even neurological conditions, opening doors far beyond oncology. If you found this deep dive valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to stay updated on the most exciting stories in global biotech and technology. What do you think? Will Avacta's technology make it to the finish?